What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon. We review anything that a consumer could buy. So you want to get an iFixit kit to fix anything that you have, but you don't want to give up the big amount, like the $60, $70. I'm going to show you here the best alternative for the iFixit kit. Stay tuned. Right, so I bought this kit for around $19. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Y'all could support me and get it. Definitely worth it. But let's open it up and see everything that we get in here. All right, so we got a little metal mat right here, and then it's 122 pieces that you get in here. You get all different sockets, I guess you call it, sizes. So let me just put this out of the way. And let's open up this plastic right here. So you get one side that you get the little guy. You get a little tweezer thingy. You get cell phone ejector, whatever you call it. Little suction cup. You get whatever this is called, the wrench, I guess, and it has a little extender that comes out if you don't need it, but it has different sizes that you could go up and down, which is pretty dope. It's nice. So you got a little flexible one, so if you got to go make a right angle, kind of turn 90 degree, you could do it and turn it, put it in here, and then turn it, and then it would just turn, like you can see, it would turn. So it's pretty dope. You get a little plastic to pop it open, unlock it, rip it apart, I guess. So you get different sizes, and you get a little adjustable for smaller sizes. So if you just don't want to, oh my bad, so you put this in here, sorry about that, and then I'm a little confused now. Oh, it is what it is. So let's look at that. So now let's go to the other side and see everything that we get. In the other side, we get different sizes of heads, I guess. The most important one that most people usually use is like the T5, the T6, C7. So it has everything in here, and then has a few extra ones in here. And this, I guess this is a little magnet. So screws that you take out, you could just pop it in there. There's one in here. So these, it has the label right here. It says TRT6. This one is T10. And then this one is a T8. So it's nice and organized. You got a little screw mat that you just pop it in there. It doesn't go anywhere. It's pretty good. And for the price of $20, you really can't beat it. I think it's well worth it. Also, you get these guitar things, so you could screw on anything that is glued together. You could just pop it out easier. So it's not bad. I definitely wanted an iFixit, but I just couldn't justify the price tag of it when you could get it for much cheaper and has more. If I'm not mistaken, you get more for your bank, more items for your buck, bang for your buck. And let's see how long it will last. I think it will last a while, but you never know with these type of things. But for $20, it's not bad giving it a try and see how everything works out. It's pretty organized. If everything is in there, I'm cool with it. I just gotta fix it. I just gotta make sure that everything goes in there. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you definitely want to support my channel, go to the link down below. Cop this, get it, buy it. It's worth it if you need it. Instead of buying the iFixit, get this one for 20 bucks. Try it out, see if you like it. If you don't, you could get the iFixit. But I'm pretty sure that you won't be disappointed with this. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it down below where you could get it. If you want to donate to my channel, I'm gonna leave a couple links down below for if you want to donate. But it's your boy Cartoon. Peace.